Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a very different and exciting video. Somebody reached out, one of my subscribers. She reached out to me and she asked me, she's like, can you do a video with my favorite foods for my birthday? Her birthday was actually on March 12th, so I was trying to try to do it around her birthday, but things just didn't work out that way. So I am gonna do it today. She was nice enough to actually send me some snacks because she is from Canada, and a lot of things some of the stuff that she wanted was actually Canadian, and we don't have it here. And she wanted me to also try some of the snacks that they have there that they, of course, are not available here. And so she was very nice. She sent me a whole bunch of stuff that I'm gonna try later for you guys. I'm excited. My son is excited too. He saw the box and we opened it and we saw what was inside and we were just like, oh my gosh, you know, it was so many different things. Today I would really like for you guys to comment down below hashtag happy birthday Liz, because this whole video is for her. Everything I'm going to eat today is all of her favorite foods. I wish the best and I wish that, you know, Liz had a very good birthday on March 12th. It's technically happy belated birthday, but let's go ahead and put hashtag happy birthday Liz as if it is her birthday still. Okay, so some of the stuff that she put that are her favorites that we're going to start off with today is banana bread, donuts, and cinnamon buns. So we're going to start off with those. And then there are some other stuff that she told me, but we're going to go step by step of what she put for me to eat today. So I am going to start off. I got a very beautiful, amazing looking cinnamon roll that's actually kind of birthday themed in a way. Are you guys ready for this? This looks fantastic. And I got a cookie dough on top of it. I hope you guys can see it. I probably have to put it from a distance because I know the lighting won't show you guys too much, but let me do like an up close actually. Top of it. Oh, it's kind of hard. I thought today the cinnamon rolls came out way bigger than last time. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness, but this cinnamon roll is so fresh. They were literally barely coming out of the oven when I got it. I got this from Cinnaholic. You guys know that I'm obsessed with Cinnaholic. You can see more of the cookie dough. I love cookie dough. Yeah, I totally give this a 10 out of 10. All the cinnamon at the bottom. Would you guys try this? Would you try a cinnamon roll with a big, huge piece of cookie dough on it? I highly recommend. It was super good. The cinnamon roll was actually very buttery too. It was good. Now wash it down, wash it down. You guys already know what this is. It's coffee. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. So the next thing that I got is some banana bread. It's banana nut bread actually. From a local grocery store called Smith's. Don't they look really good? I'm gonna give you guys another close-up. I'm gonna eat the banana bread with some coffee. It already smells really good. Like really good. Banana bread is always good. I love the crumble at the top. Oh. Oh. That one had a hard nut in it. A really hard nut. I love how soft the bread is. But yeah, my favorite part of the bread is the top part. It's just always like so soft. You definitely get a lot of the banana taste. I did get 2 donuts. They're both from Pinkbox. This one is the Boston cream, because I did ask her, like, what kind of donuts do you like, or what type? And she told me she really likes Boston cream, and then she did want me to try and find a blueberry fritter. I did search around to see, but I didn't find any place, so I did end up getting a blueberry crodo, which is pretty much, a crodo is considered a cronut. It's just Pinkbox's term for a cronut. So I'm gonna try and eat as much as I can because I am getting a little bit full. I'm thinking I'm only gonna eat like half maybe of each one. I kind of already feel like it doesn't have a lot of filling. It has like a decent amount, but it's so light that I'm like, it doesn't have a bunch of filling. Yeah, then this is the blueberry crodo. This one I've had before like 2 or 3 times. This one's really good. Like probably one of my favorites. Aside from the strawberry one that I found at Coco's Donuts. This one's good. Especially if you really like blueberry. You get that like huge burst of blueberry flavor. And then with the crodo, it's so good. All the flaky layers. Yeah, this is a donut you gotta try. It's so soft, it kind of like melts in your mouth in a way. That is all I'm gonna eat. I will see you guys in just a little bit. Bye-bye. The next things that Liz told me that she loves is poutine, I hope I pronounced that right, and some Wendy's. So I got the 4 for $4 at Wendy's, and then I got the poutine from this place called Big Dog's Brew House. I was actually surprised that I could find poutine here, but I was just like, there was actually quite a few places here, like 5 or 6 places that had it. And I can tell you, like, it smells good. Like, even from here, I can smell it. It smells really good. But it has, like, I think cheese, French fries, mushrooms, and gravy. I think not all of them come with mushrooms from what I was reading online, but this one does. But I'm pretty sure that'll give it a good taste. So I'm actually gonna try these first. Let me show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. It looks really good. Super good. Let's see. I think this is like a huge piece of cheese. So far I really love the taste. It's very salty. That's what I can notice at first. I really like the taste of the gravy with the French fries. Yeah, so kind of like with the cheese, they almost made like mozzarella sticks. I think in most poutine that I've seen, it's just they just kind of lay out the cheese around it. I think I would have wanted to try it like that, but this way is actually good. I do like it. It's some good stuff. It's definitely very savory. I think this is definitely better than like chili cheese fries. I'm gonna take a break from that to eat the burger. I got some unsweet tea from Wendy's. They didn't give me a straw, so I'm just gonna drink from the thing. So I got the Wendy's Junior Bacon Cheeseburger. I'm gonna eat it with some ranch. I like to put a lot of ranch. The bacon is a little bit hard. A little too crispy. But the flavor is still good. These are Wendy's spicy chicken nuggets. So it was funny, when I went to Wendy's, I wasn't gonna get the 4 for $4. I was just gonna get the sandwich and the nuggets because that's mostly what I wanted. And then after she told me how much the total was, I was like, it was already 4 something. So I was like, you know what? Just give me the 4 for $4 because I get a drink and fries extra for pretty much the same price. So I was like, yeah, just throw that in. Because I'm actually gonna save these for Adrian because I have the fries right here. So it's like double the fries. But I got a drink practically for free. Let me eat a little bit more of these. To be honest, I don't really like the big mushrooms because I'm not a huge mushroom person. Like maybe if they would have made it like smaller pieces, but they made the mushrooms like really big pieces. But it does add a lot of flavor to the French fries. This was a very delicious meal. I will see you guys in just a little bit when I record the next thing. The next thing that we're gonna eat is a bunch of snacks that Liz was so amazing and she sent it to me. She wanted me to try a bunch of snacks that are only known to Canada. And I'm actually shocked as to how much she sent us. She wrote a letter to actually go with everything that she sent. Hi Joyce and family, this is so wild to me. I'm so excited. These are all such staples and childhood favorites of mine. It's weird that you would have never seen or tried them, at least from what I've heard, read, and seen, that these are purely Canadian. I love your videos and keep it up. If there's anything I missed that you've heard of or anything here that you really love, let me know and I will send more. Love from Canada, Liz. Thank you so much, Liz. You're amazing. Again, you're like, this is crazy to me too, to even be receiving snacks from Canada. We're super excited, huh? When Adrian opened the box, like he helped me open it and he was like, oh my gosh. And he really is obsessed with these ketchup chips. You want to try these first?
Yeah.
Yeah?
They look like blanket box, but they have like these like peach chips and they look the same as these.
Oh wow, they smell like ketchup. So these
They
are
do.
Lay's ketchup chips.
They smell like Wendy's ketchup. They look so good.
Wendy's, I thought they smell like McDonald's ketchup.
Ooh.
I don't know, I'm a little afraid to try ketchup chips.
Wait, try it right now.
Yeah, ready? Go.
I'm about to throw up. It tastes so good.
Yeah, I was like, I don't really like them.
I thought these would taste so good.
Oh my god. No, don't put it back.
I'm I'm going
Maybe
to
Grandma wants to try. You want to try next?
Okay.
Oh, of course, can't. So what are these? So we can tell them what these are called.
These are, I don't know.
Oh, it says Maynards. They're Maynards.
Funny
They're
peach.
fuzzy peach.
They're oh, what is that?
Oh, these are good.
They're gummies. I knew it.
Wow, those are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like those.
And they're my love in paradise.
So these are also Maynards, and they're Swedish berries.
Let me try one. Ooh, they look good. They look weird. Like jelly.
Oh, I like these. So far, the Maynards are really good.
Oh, it's raining. I saw it. Drops of rain.
Yeah, I love these. The Maynards. I like both.
Me too.
So these are the dill pickle cornichons. Laneth. I don't know how to pronounce. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's in Spanish.
I think it's French.
I like these.
I think that's French. Cornichons. Laneth. Laneth.
Oh, they smell horrible.
I don't know, they don't smell bad. They smell kind of like the ones you always get. Sour cream.
Yeah, sour
one.
cream and onion.
They smell like the sour cream. Yeah, no. I'm not a big pickle fan. Oh my goodness. These are not as bad though as these.
Yeah, that one's really bad. That one's not that bad.
Yeah, this is not too bad. Because you kind of get a little bit of the pickle taste, but then you get more of the Lay's.
Yeah,
taste.
and like the onion.
Yeah.
That's
Versus
not bad.
this. This is just too strong.
I know.
What was that?
My piggy voice.
Your piggy voice?
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this.
Carrot milk?
Caramel.
You can try that one.
Like, can I like break? Okay, no. At least we have two.
Thank you.
I'm not a huge fan of caramel.
But I like these. These are good. Because I like caramel.
I don't.
Or caramel. Let's try something else. Let's try these. These are called the Old Dutch. Oh, these are more ketchup chips. Maybe these will taste better than the Lay's.
This is good. I really like these.
Oh, they still smell kind of the same.
Let me see. Oh, I'm not eating these. I'm
What
not.
tastes better?
I do.
What tastes better than the Lay's?
I'm not gonna not gonna.
No. These are definitely something we have never tried before.
And they're horrible.
Well, they're not horrible. They're just not something that we like. Not something for us. It's like a wafer. So this one is the coffee. I can't talk. Coffee crisp. You know me so well, Liz. I love coffee.
So there's caffeine.
Oh yeah, it's coffee.
There's caffeine in this?
No, it's just coffee flavored.
Oh. Not that bad.
No, you like it?
Good. That's good. Man, Canada has the best snacks ever.
Good.
Can I have some?
No.
Best.
Those are the Hickory Sticks original. I'm gonna try to pronounce the other. Juliennes. The Hickory. The Hickory.
Yep.
I think they smell good.
That was me.
I like these. It's interesting how thin that they are. But I like how crispy they are.
You're not so. I don't even taste any flavor.
Really, I taste all salty. They do have a hickory taste. So the lighting got a little bit too bright, so we're gonna just tell you what we rated because we did try them already, but unfortunately it was too bright for you guys to really see our reactions. So we did try the mint arrow. These are, what would you say?
10 out of 10.
The coffee crisp, I give a 10 out of 10.
10
These
out
are
of
my
10.
favorite. These are awesome. What would you rate the chocolate arrow?
10 out of 10.
I say like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
And then we did try the Cheetos. The Cheetos,
10 out of
these
10.
ones, the cheesies are actually very similar to the regular Cheetos. They just have a slight different taste. Don't copy me. And then these ones, the Bits and Bites, I feel like I have seen these here in America. I'm pretty sure I've seen it somewhere at a gas station here. But these are super good. They are a Chex Mix. I give them like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
For like a savory kind of thing.
I would give it like a 5 out of 10, like kind of.
5 out of 10. And these ones I think are like a 7 out of 10. They're not too bad.
1 out of 10.
Adrian doesn't like them.
I know.
He didn't like them.
It tastes like ketchup.
Yeah, we rated the ketchup ones. Well, what was your rating?
0.
You're like a 0 out of 0.
0 out of 10.
I gave them a 2 out of 10. They're not my favorite, to be honest.
There's a little bit for you, good.
Yeah. Well, we have a few last things to try. Do you want to try the cookies?
Yeah, I guess.
Maple leaf cream cookies. I need to learn French. I'm pretty sure these are all in French. Ooh, these look interesting. Oh, they're very mapley. Oh yeah, they smell like a lot of maple.
Mmm.
I like these.
What is this inside?
So this one is the Mars bar. Over the table.
Mmm. I really don't.
Hmm?
It's cookies with what?
Oh, cool. Mmm.
5.
This is almost just like a Three Musketeers.
7 out of 10. I rate it 7 out of 10.
Except for with a lot of caramel. I give that a 10 out of 10. You don't like the maple taste? These are okay. I'm just not a big fan of stuff that's similar to Three Musketeers. Just because I ate so many as a kid that I got sick of it.
Ooh, that's really crunchy. I can.
This is actually very similar to a Butterfinger.
Oh, but not even gonna try. I know what a fun.
Yeah, I love these. This is a 10 out of 10. You want to try?
That stuff looks that stuff looks weird, but
This is a crunchy.
that tastes horrible when you just ate a huge bite. You don't like it?
It says it's a sponge toffee.
Wait, so I can't eat it?
You don't like it?
The chocolate's really good, but the inside.
The inside, yeah.
Yeah, it's not so good.
Yeah. I don't like it either. It has a very strong taste. And well, we will see you guys in just a little bit for some cake.
Sorry guys, but we're back here because we messed up on the video.
Take 2 of our first try at this. So we had already tried to eat some, but the thing came out wrong. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liz. Happy birthday to you. Okay, we had already ate a little bit, but we're extremely full.
Eat it for the subs.
Adrian's like, eat it for the subs. I'm like, I'll eat a little bit more. You want to take one more bite?
Nope.
Just one more.
What did I say?
Here's the
You
bread.
eat it for the subs, not me.
You eat it.
And you're like, eat it for the subs, Joyce. Don't eat it for the subs, Adrian.
This cake is from Walmart. It cost me about like $13.
$30.
$13.
$30.
That's extreme. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Happy birthday to Liz again. Thank you so much for all the snacks. We really appreciate it. You're awesome. You're amazing. I hope you had a great birthday. Again, guys, don't forget to hashtag Happy Birthday Liz in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.